Good evening, everybody on YouTube. Just wanted to do this over again. I didn't have my stream key going on the Facebook Live. Just want to update everyone on what we expect overnight tonight. And the same thing's happening here. So we're just going to do YouTube Live here. That way we kind of cover those bases here. Got a lot of fog and some drizzle you can see behind me on the Parkway camera. And also you can see the bigger thunderstorms out here, and that's probably the biggest concern for some of you for sure. So we continue to watch that. But tonight we're mainly concerned with locally heavy rain and some strong gusty winds. And that's what we're going to continue to see as we're going to go ahead and advance here and take a radar trip here for you. Again, the temperatures are warmer than normal tonight, but the air is really not that unstable, so we're not too concerned about severe weather tonight. I just don't see that being an issue. Even though out west there have been a few severe thunderstorm warnings, here's a quick timeline for you. Between now and midnight across the northwest corner of the state, all of the shoals and into the western parts of Limestone County, 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. from Smith Lake through the Huntsville metro area up towards Timms Ford Lake. And then the far northeast corner of the state, we're talking 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. Again, this isn't going to be your typical severe weather timeline. This is just basically a thunderstorm timeline. As we take a look at the radar here, there is some very heavy rain now in eastern Lauderdale County, moving into Limestone County near Coxsey. Not much electrical activity with that. Again, the time frame here, this is just before 10 o'clock tonight, so 9:50. Thunderstorm approaching Waterloo, Pickwick Lake area. This is going to produce some very heavy rain, strong gusty winds. We just don't have any severe weather, though, set up with this. Maybe a wind gust of, say, 20 to 25 miles an hour. And then farther out west, this particular storm near Ripley, moving towards Boonville, it has really fallen apart here. That's the one that had the severe thunderstorm warning on it earlier this Tuesday evening. So again, we expect a lot of this to slowly fall apart. Another thing I'm watching here is this southern flank is moving south a bit, but it's going to run out of gas, and we're likely going to see this boundary lead to additional showers and storms on the north side here as the main energy starts to come in from the west, and that will likely enhance the rainfall over northwest Alabama as we go later into the night. Just a quick look at hour by hour here on the latest forecast guidance. As we go past 10 o'clock, you can see there's a little bit more space between the showers and thunderstorms between 11 and midnight, and then everything just kind of gets on its way here. 2 o'clock in the morning, that's likely the heaviest rain going on in the Huntsville metro area, back towards Decatur, up to Athens, and then eventually down towards Smith Lake. Again, you're watching our YouTube channel. We'll be using this a lot more as we go into 2025. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, we got breaks, and then there's a chance of some drizzle and fog. And then it's just a cloudy day for your Tuesday. Then as we get on into Tuesday night, a few isolated showers and storms, but the brunt of the next round of rain won't get here until probably after the morning commute here Wednesday. So we're talking 9 o'clock Wednesday morning on into the noon hour, and then additional showers, a few thunderstorms out there for Wednesday afternoon. And just a quick look at your 10-day forecast. Leading up to the weekend before Christmas, busy travel. We've got normal conditions for a change, a little below normal temperature-wise Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then Christmas Day, it's a toss-up right now, I'll just be honest. Some of the model guidance. The European model, which is typically more accurate, has a wet Christmas for us, so we'll just have to watch that. Again, thanks for tuning into YouTube. Coming up here in a few minutes, we got our 48 News at 10, and that's where I'll be focusing my attention then. Appreciate you guys tuning in.